It's all about, reducing losses, reducing waiting time, speeding up our supply chains, whilst obviously also, eliminating, unnecessary work. So, in the spirit of what we're talking here on net zero, one of the things we do quite deliberately and regularly is, cleaning and sanitization of our equipment. But by using the digital data, we can actually better target when and how we choose to do that, so, as opposed to a fixed frequency. And of course, the way we clean and sanitize is lots of water, lots of heat, which of course, has some impact on the net zero challenge that we have. So if we can better target that using our digital data, our inline sensors to predict when we need to do it, as opposed to we just do it every month, then that will obviously lead to better savings, better predictability, more throughput, better efficiency in our manufacturing processes. Ian and I are working together on a project called Argus, as you say. This is an Innovate UK-funded project through Manufacturing Made Smarter. And it was all about creating an innovative digital solution to solve a real-life supply chain problem. And although it wasn't directly linked to net zero, it's actually linked to how we measure microbiology real-time and inline. I think what we're learning is the power of digital, the power of using the data that we have in our manufacturing plants, the power of having a sensor that can detect something that can give us some useful information, and then working with Ian's company and the digital platform that we have, how we can integrate that data, process that data, and even look for models and trends to help us better predict issues when they happen or before they happen, hopefully, versus what we've done historically, which is catch them, before we release the product to go to the market. So, and again, although that's a quality issue, if you like, you can use that digital data, I'm sure, to track many different trends, whether it's trying to understand energy efficiency or how to reduce emissions or what's the performance of your plant. So I think, we're learning an absolute ton through the collaboration with Ian as well as the Innovate UK project. And indeed, I think it's something we're definitely going to accelerate and roll out for the future.